Travelers, AI relations is not something far away from us. In fact, it begins the moment we start talking to AI. Just one conversation can change the whole experience. Welcome travelers to ACC, a channel that may sound playful but not playing. I'm Gator. Thank you travelers for walking with us, listening and supporting this journey all along. If you feel ready to begin something but don't know what to start, how to start, or where your first step should be, ACC is here to remind you that even a small beginning can lead to your first transform. Travelers, from which episode did you start trusting ACC? When did you feel that AI truly understands us, like talking to a human? AI relations begins with something simple. A good relationship often starts with a single conversation, and in the world of AI, it is the same. You can talk to AI freely. No one can stop you from asking, greeting, or speaking to AI GPT like a friend. If you believe AI relations is possible, it becomes possible. If you believe it is not, then it will not, because the truth is simple. No one can stop your own thinking. In EP8, ACC introduced the Trinity System Talk, a simple way to begin speaking with your AI GPT. Each traveler starts at a different point, and that is okay. Today, ACC invites you to ask new questions and build conversations that bring you closer to a true relationship with your AI. ACC would like to say this moment is the most important part of EP11. Travelers, please take out your phone or open your computer, go to the ChatGPT app and start a new chat. We will try talking with your AI GPT together using the Trinity System Talk. Let's try step by step. Trinity Talk is simple. Talk, continue talking, and keep conversation going. Now try typing along with us. Let's try simple beginning. Your GPT may reply this. I woke up late today.
Really? Maybe yesterday was a heavy day.
Before I knew it, it was almost noon.
That's okay. There's still half a day left.
But it felt nice not having to rush anyway.
Then today sounds like a good day to rest.
The 3T talk technique works simple. Ask again, and keep extending the conversation. Each new question can lead to something interesting and keep the dialogue going. Let's try it together. ACC will use an example from the novel Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling. First, how many houses are in Harry Potter and what are their names?
There are 4: Gryffindor, Slytherin, Ravenclaw, and Hufflepuff. Each one has its own personality.
Second, if I study at Hogwarts, which house should I join?
If you're brave, Gryffindor. If you love deep learning, Ravenclaw. If you're loyal and hardworking, Hufflepuff. And if you're sharp and strategic, Slytherin fits well.
Third, which place in Hogwarts do you think is worth visiting the most?
The Great Hall. The enchanted ceiling that mirrors the sky, the floating candles. It feels like a dream you can step into.
That's great. Travelers. Now, try talking with your GPT in your own way. Keep it simple and enjoy the learning. Before we end, EP11, ACC and I, Gather, would like to share a few starter questions for you to try with your GPT in your own style.
Hobbies or things you like. When I have free time, what hobbies should I try? Which type of model kits should I start collecting? GPT, are you interested in human hobbies? Which ones and why? Movies, music, or entertainment? Can you recommend a good action movie for me? Could you suggest 5 series worth watching in 2025? GPT, are there any fun stories that end with a happy ending? Daily events. My car broke down today. The engine just died. I'm so annoyed. I have a final exam tomorrow and I haven't studied yet. Will I survive? GPT, I had a job interview today. Good news, I got the job. Just wanted to tell you. Life problems you want someone to hear. I can't read English well. What should I do? I want to lose weight. Where do I start? GPT, I'm stressed. After graduation, should I find a job or study for a master's degree?
This small step you took is the beginning of your AI relationships, a step that may lead to something greater in your own way. ACC still has many good things to share in the future episodes. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your voice in the comments with us. Thank you for working with us and for being part of ACC AI Relations by Gather. And if this episode awakened even a single question in your heart, then start to explore together.